What do you want? I know, food always. Good morning, everybody. I figured why not do a different type of video today after being up for 5 days. Because, you know, when you work rotating shifts and it's 12 hours, you don't really sleep but a couple hours each day. So I literally hadn't done anything but roll the window down. I got off this morning. So I figured here. Set this here for a second. Yeah, he's always doing that meowy thing. Pretty sure it's going to start on the first turn this morning. This is the warmest it's been in a couple months. Guess I need the keys to start it. This is pretty much the first turn. I didn't have the thing clutching all the way in. Loving these temperatures.